on the wall. There you go. Get up on the wall. There you go.
Welding is the process of joining two or more metal parts by melting the pieces and adding filler material. The filler is melted and pools between the other pieces. The end result after the materials cool is a strong joint or weld. When it comes to traditional welding techniques, there are three basic types. These are stick welding, metal inert gas, also known as MIG, and tungsten inert gas, known as TIG. These three welding types make up 90% of all welding done in the world. Although there are more advanced welding processes, such as plasma arc and laser welding, this is the right place to start for the beginning welder.